Would you say that bruise is, Lisa?
How big is an inch?
I don't know. I think it's
Is this
2.5 inches.
That's what Daryl told me.
That's very cute.
That's...
Ooh. Okay, Linus.
Yeah, I don't know.
Give the Patreon a show. Give the Patreon a show.
Oh, let's do... They can sing.
Come here.
Come here.
That's a good song about dogs. Or...
and they call it puppy love.
Okay, how about they're singing, and they're singing to the tune of the car wash. At the car wash.
Ducking at the car wash.
The third one's got to be better.
Okay.
What else we got?
Let's
say hi to the camera. Are you shy?
Oh.
Hi.
Who's that little doggy in the window? How much is that doggy weighing? How much is that doggy in the window?
This show must go on stuff is brutal, man.
Every time I say ruff ruff, Fiona licks my face. Watch this. Ruff ruff ruff. Now she won't do it because she's not trained very well.
Fiona, do it.
How much is that doggy in the window? Are you camera shy? Okay.
What other song about dogs is there? I don't know songs about dogs.
Crying
all the time. Ain't no more dog. Cried all the time. We're milking it, Daryl. Ain't no friend of mine.
Yeah, this ain't
the animals alive. They're just so tense. I think is a problem.
I know. They're not very good on camera.
Oh my goodness, I think they're showbiz dogs.
Yeah, they're very pampered.
Yep. Like a pampered chef.
Yeah. You want to see my... Hold on.
All groomed, licking her chops.
This is my trick. Fiona, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Oh. Thank you. Here's
they
my
say
trick.
people look like their dogs.
Linus, can you fart? He's pretty classy. He doesn't really do that.